How to save money on Christmas dinner. It may be fairly expensive to host Christmas dinner guests, often even more so than purchasing presents. Before you start thinking about your menu, you should think about how much money you will spend on food. You don't have to blow your Christmas budget, just make a plan and stick to it. Paying cash during Christmas rather than with a credit card is a terrific way to stick to your spending plan. A simple meal created with seasonal ingredients or in the form of roast chicken, prawns on the beach, will taste delicious and won't break the bank. Make a list of everything you'll need for the day, from coffee and dessert to snacks and beverages. This can help you decide whether your menu plan requires further preparation or exceeds your budget in addition to saving your sanity. Do you make a list in advance? Let me know in the comments. You can begin to pay attention to store prices and buy things at a discount when they are on sale by making a menu plan and shopping list for Christmas Day. Meats can be bought in advance and frozen, while snacks and beverages can be bought at a significant discount and kept until the big day. You can make your own snacks, stuffing, and seasonal fruits and veggies rather than purchasing ready-made foods. This will save you a lot of money. Christmas dinner doesn't have to break the bank, whether you're entertaining a large group of people or creating straightforward meals from scratch for the occasion. Prepare basic foods from scratch, shop for deals and plan ahead. After all, it's more about being together than a fancy meal. Merry Christmas everybody! I wish you a very happy holiday with lots of love and little expense. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe,